Hello friends, my name is Paul Ford and I'm the co-founder of Aboard. Since we launched Aboard, many people have asked us for a Kanban view. What's Kanban? It's a Japanese word that means signboard or billboard, and it's a way of organizing and structuring data using cards. Aboard is great about cards and it has great Kanban support. So let's start with a short example. This is my boards collection, and as you can see I have a lot of boards, which makes sense because I'm the co-founder. I'm going to make a new board. I used to be a freelance writer, so I'm going to make a board for managing my freelance writing career. All right, there we go. I'm going to give it a nice pencil as my icon, and we'll give it a good color. Okay, I've created the board and it's empty. So let's add a few cards. I just want to do a brain dump, so I'll make up a couple article ideas. I'll speed this up so you don't get bored. You get the idea. Now I'm going to add a stack to hold those articles, or those article ideas. Let's call this stack Ideas, and we'll just quickly move those cards in there. Great. Now I'm going to make a couple more stacks. Pitched, rejected, assigned, done, statuses. Now, I'm going to pitch an idea to an editor. I'm going to go back to the all cards view and I'll switch, here we go, into Kanban. You can see that all the stacks are now across the top and I can scroll from left to right. So let's say I just pitched this one. Cool, now it lives in pitched, gets a new status. I can click on the card, I can even add some comments and notes. But there's another part of Kanban. I can prioritize and organize the cards in the columns. So if this is the article I think I should be pitching next, I just move it up or move it down. A board will remember where you put things, whether it's vertical or horizontal. Oh boy, I pitched this one, Mike got back to me, and it was rejected. That is the life of a freelance writer. But this one is doing better. That editor liked it. Her name is Sally, and she said she does want me to write it. So that moves over to assigned. And once I get it written, I'm going to meet my deadline and move it over to done. So it's very easy and flexible to do this kind of Kanban style stuff. And, don't forget, with a board, you can invite other people to share cards with you and comment and chat. It's a quick, simple, social Kanban view that you can use to do things like bug tracking, work tracking, prioritization, and other cool stuff. Now that's all you need to know, but let's see two more examples. I'm going to switch over to this recipe board. This is an actual recipe board that I share with my family. And you're looking at all the recipes that we have in there that we like to eat with our kids. And on the left are the stacks. This is a little different than typical workflow. All-time favorites, dinner rotation, excellent, but only for adults. These are not statuses, but the same idea works here too. Switch into Kanban view and quickly move things in and out. So let's say we really like those zucchini lentil fritters. Boom, off they go into all-time favorites. Or if we change our mind, move them back. Everything is nicely organized, easy to scroll, and you can scroll up and down, see it all in a column. It can all be edited and it can all be changed. I'm going to give you one last example. Aboard has a podcast. You can find it on our website. We save links all week to get ready for the podcast, and they kind of come in as a jumble. But I can go in, I can switch to Kanban and zoom out a little bit, and then I prioritize the links in the order that I want to discuss them on the podcast. I move them up and down, and suddenly I have kind of a script ready to go because I'm going to talk about them one by one with my co-founder. So it's a very easy way to get data from the web using the Aboard extension, putting it all in one place, and then quickly organizing it into a sequence. That's Kanban in a board. It's powerful, you can do a lot with it, it doesn't have too many opinions about how you should work, but it's a really good tool for getting your world organized and managing your data. I hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe for more information about a board and more tools and tutorials like this. And let us know if there's anything you'd like to see. Thank you very much for your time and attention. Talk to you soon.